Hello and welcome to vizrm. In this video I'm going to show you how to use vizrm together with Pipedrive. So I'm here on my personal Pipedrive record. In my system you'll see I have a couple of custom fields that I've created over here. So one is a job title, that's a free text attribute. I have a LinkedIn URL, which is also a free text URL link, and I have a manager which is of the field type person. So that's an important thing here. And I'm mapping those fields in my CRM integration in the vizrm settings. So you have to be an admin to do that. And then you can pick those fields, map them to the corresponding fields in vizrm, hit save, and that's basically all you need to set up for vizrm and Pipedrive work together just perfectly fine. So in the next step, I want to show you how to navigate to org charts from within Pipedrive. So you'll always find this little three dot menu up here on a person record, on an organization record, and you can say show org chart. So that's going to open up the vizrm app in a new tab. It's going to load the org chart where my contact is on, right? So that's me. And you can also load the org chart from other record types like organizations or from deals. So when you load it from a deal, you will get the org chart as well here from the three dot menu, show org chart. It will again open the chart, but then it will go in and filter it by the deal participants. So that's a really nice way to jump directly to who are the stakeholders, who's the buying center in this particular deal. And then I can remove that filter from here and I just get the entire org chart. The next section I want to show you how to update and create contacts from within vizrm. So within here I can create a person, and this is going to create a person directly into Pipedrive when I hit the save button here. And I can do a similar thing by updating a contact. So I can go again to my record here, say I want to change the top title from CSO here to CEO, right? I hit save and I jump back to my Pipedrive record here easily, and I see, okay, that has updated right away, right? So that's how you can update from the org chart and create contacts from the org chart. But we also have the ability through the browser extension to do that from within LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you this with Jacob here. You see I have the contact is already mapped. So when I go in here and I want to update the department, for example, right, I say update this record, and then it also will update the record in Pipedrive to customer successes I've just done. You can also create new contacts, of course, from here. If you go to a profile that is not being yet created in Pipedrive, it will also create a new person record or people record in Pipedrive. Next on, I want to show you how to create, edit, update organizations and related organizations in Pipedrive through the vizrm app. So what we are having in vizrm is the related organizations, and from here I can add a child organization. You have the similar feature up here in the chart menu. Here it is. So I can say add child organization. From here I can search on my organizations that I have in Pipedrive, or I can create a new one. I'm going to do this, and it's going to be the vizrm subsidiary, and I'll create this and it will be added as a child. And what this does in Pipedrive is very nicely, it's going to create a organization, the vizrm subsidiary, but it also added it as a related organization of the field type of the relationship daughter, right? So that's how we can create new organizations. That's how we can also add those relationships. So now I want to show you how you can use activities in Pipedrive. So on any contact or organization, you can have activities. In the chart menu, you can select create new activity. If you do not pick a person here, the activity will be created for the organization record. So I'll just do this now to show you. Now we will have a new organization activity created here in Pipedrive. You'll do the same thing if you go onto a contact and navigate to the sidebar activity. You can also say create activity for Marcus, in this case as a demo purpose, right? I create that. I can also add it to a deal if you've seen that. And then I will also find this activity here. It's automatically associated to the organization and to my person record as well. If I tick them off from this list here, it's the same in Pipedrive. It's getting completed here, so you see this as well. And again, we can have same functionality within the LinkedIn integration. So over here, you see this little free icon here. So that's activities. I have free open activities. I can see those are actually all overdue. So I can tick one off from here, or I can also add a new activity from within LinkedIn directly here. And in the last section, I want to show you how to use create and update deals. You've already seen the concept here of deal participants. So if I go back and filter again this deal for the participants, now I can add Joey here to this deal, and this will automatically update the vizrm Q2 deal to have Johanna as a participant listed. So have a look at this in Pipedrive. Scroll down to the participants list, and she's been added to that. I can do the same capability as well from LinkedIn with the browser extension integration. So for demo purpose, I'm removing Jacob here. Now we go over here, load the deals. You see I have it here. I can add Jacob to the other deal simply by clicking here, and it will directly propose the vizrm Q4. That's the only associated deal with vizrm in the vizrm organization in Pipedrive, so I can pick that, or I can also create a new deal from here, select pipeline, deal stage, title value, close date, and create a new deal from here, and then we'll have another deal created for our vizrm organization. So we should be seeing 3 deals here now. So that's how vizrm and Pipedrive work together. I would say like a charm, and I wish you a lot of success using the 2 tools.